Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English online class. The topic of today's online class is chapter 4, Albert Einstein at School. We will do summary and difficult words along with their meanings. So let us start the session. So let us start with the introduction to the chapter Albert Einstein at School. The lesson Albert Einstein at School is an extract from the biography of Albert Einstein named The Young Einstein by Patrick Pringle. In this lesson, Patrick familiarized the reader with those years in Einstein's life where he was struggling each day in school, and as each day passes, the school diploma felt like a far-fetching dream. It throws light upon a few encounters with his teachers, what he felt about the neighborhood he lived in, and who he had only one good friend, Yuri. The way Albert strategized to get out of the miserable place that is school, and how things turn around in the end, making the story even more interesting. Now let us switch to the summary of this chapter. The lesson begins with the little Albert's encounter with his history teacher, where the teacher is asking him about a particular date from the past, and as usual, our unattentive Albert does not know the answer. This moment leads us to the little speech given by Einstein in the class about what education should include and what they are being taught is irrelevant. It ends up in his being punished by the teacher, which again is not new. When the lesson talks about Einstein dislike his neighborhood because of all the slum violence and compare it to his best friend Yuri's neighborhood, who did not like his either. Albert even expresses his worries to his cousin Elsa from Berlin, who thinks he had passed if he had a little effort, or he would make a little effort. At this point, Albert starts strategizing his way to get out of the school, and he suddenly gets an idea that involves a doctor who is willing to help him. He wanted a doctor to know that he had a nervous breakdown and prescribed that the root cause of it is school, and he shall stay as far as from it as he could. This is when Yuri agrees and sets up an appointment with his friend, a freshly qualified doctor who he warns is hard to befool. Albert thinks about his conversation with the doctor so much that at this point he is actually nervous. On meeting the doctor, he comes to know that Yuri has already told him everything, and the doctor is ready to help him. The doctor understands how tiring school can be, asks Albert his plans after he gets out of school, and realizes he is going no good to him or anyone by staying there. Thus, he hands him his medical certificate and in turn asks him to take Yuri out for a meal. Although excited, Albert has no money to spare. He took Yuri out for a supper. He is next seen with his maths teacher, who is giving him a referral to make it easier for him to get into the college for pursuing higher mathematics. Einstein had studied all the maths they teach in the school, and even more so. He is then summoned to the head teacher room, where he is told to walk away, as hardly any serious work can be accomplished when he is around. As tempting it was for Albert to tell the head teacher the truth and what he thought about his school, he resisted it and walked straight out of the school with his head high. He said goodbye to his only friend Yuri, and Elsa was back in Berlin by that time. At last, Albert was out of school. So there are certain difficult words which the meaning of you should know. First is biographer. A person who writes an account of someone else is called biographer. Expulsion means the act or the action of forcing someone to leave an organization. Miserable means unhappy. Loading means temporary accommodation or a room rented out to someone, usually in the same residence as the owner, like an inn or an hotel or something like that. Now next is squalor, the state of being extremely dirty and unpleasant, especially as result of poverty and neglect. It is such a miserable state. Duel or duel, a contest with deadly weapons arranged between the two people in order to settle a point of honor. It is always that if there is a chance or there is a dispute between the two nobles, they tend to do it by duel or settle the dispute by duel. Wailing means crying with pain or anger. Howling means making a howling sound. Expelled, officially making someone leave a school or any organization. Menacing words means to speak vaguely or indirectly, or sometimes when the malicious words is also used, that it means malign words or dirty words used for certain person. Rebellion, the action or process of resisting authority, control, or convention. Stuck out means to leave some place in a haughty, stiff, or threatening manner. So this was the summary and difficult words from the chapter Albert Einstein at School.